everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather, and today we're doing a cookies and cream icebox cake. Now this is such a simple recipe, but it is so delicious that you will probably make it for any event that you need to bring a dessert to. We're just going to use Oreo cookies or any sandwich cookie, some heavy whipping cream, some powdered sugar, and some vanilla. And at the end, we're gonna top it with berries. You can top it with cherries, almost anything you can top it with. It's a fantastic dessert and it just takes a few minutes, but you're gonna have to have some patience because it's gonna have to go into the icebox, thus it being called the cookies and cream icebox cake. So the icebox is the refrigerator. So it needs to go in there for about 4 hours, but it can stay overnight. And I'm gonna make this for a get together I'm having tomorrow. So you'll get to see me try it tomorrow, but I'm gonna make it tonight. We're gonna get it into the fridge, and then you're just gonna see how totally easy this is. And it is so delicious. If you like Oreo cookies and you like cream, this is a sure treat. Are you ready for this adventure? Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our stand mixer ready to go. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can just use the hand mixer, but unfortunately you need one or the other because we do want to get this cream to soft peaks. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 3 cups of cream, heavy cream, into our mixer, and we're gonna go ahead and get that started. All right, and to this mixer, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla and 1/3 of a cup of powdered sugar. Now, let's turn off the mixer for a moment. Do not run your mixer when you pour in the powdered sugar. Otherwise, you will get a huge puff of powdered sugar and it will be on every surface in your kitchen. Ask me how I know. All right, so we're just gonna pour that right in and then we're gonna slowly start it and then we're gonna get it on high. And that's only gonna take about 2 minutes. So we're not gonna talk over it. We're just gonna let it go. All right, and that's where we're gonna stop. So now let's come to our cookies. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this in my 9x13 chill and serve from Pampered Chef. You could make it in any 9x13, but I'm gonna make it in this so that it can stay nice and cool in here. After I take it out of the refrigerator, I can set it on the table and it can be served within the next 4 hours and it will stay nice and cool. Okay, so now comes the fun part. We are going to take our sandwich cookies, this is Oreos, and we're just going to lay them in our chill and serve, or you're gonna lay them in your 9x13 pan. I did not count how many cookies this is, but it says 33. So maybe I can get 33 in here. The 33rd one is for me. All right, so let's get our cream out of here. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna spoon out half of the cream over the top of our Oreos. And then we're just gonna use an offset spreader and spread it out. All right, look at that. Now we are gonna put another 33-ish cookies on there. Okay, so 33 cookies fit on that layer. Maybe the bottom layer is a little tapered. I don't know. All right, and now we're gonna put another layer of the whipped cream on the top. All right, and once you have all of the cookies covered, we are going to smooth out that top just a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my little scraper here and I'm just gonna go around the edges just a little. So any of the upper area that I smoothed up is taken down. Okay, and now that it's down and you put all those little blobbies in there, now you're going to smooth those blobbies out and smooth any divots that you made. Okay, and there you have it. So now we're just gonna kind of clean up any edges that we see with a teeny tiny towel. Looking beautiful. Okay, so that's it. This is the entire cookies and cream icebox cake. I am going to put a lid on it and then we'll be back tomorrow to put the berries on it and I'll show you what it's like on the inside. All right, welcome back to day number 2. It's been well over, let's see, what time is it right now? It's not quite been 24 hours, but the cake looks like this when it comes out, and now we're gonna decorate it. Now, I know I said I wasn't gonna decorate it in a flag because it wasn't, 4th of July, but Memorial Day is right around the corner, and I think a flag would be perfect, and I will show you how to do it, and it will look fantastic. So what I have over here are blackberries and raspberries. So I'm gonna create the flag pattern with blackberries and raspberries. What you also can do, and I may do, is crush up Oreo cookies over the top, but I really want the berry look. So I'm gonna reserve the crushed up cookies for when I serve it, and if people want extra berries on their cookies and cream icebox cake, then they can do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to outline my flag, the blue stars area of the flag. Alternately, you could use no berries at all and just do crushed up cookies on the top, but I love this look. Do you see what I'm going for here? Do you see? All right, and then next we're gonna do the stripes. All right, and look at that. Isn't that cute? Let's dish it out and see what we have. All right, I think I'm going to take from the side over here just so I don't mess up my stars before my company comes. All right, here we go. And we're just gonna cut right through. Oh my word, I cannot wait. This is so delicious. I'm gonna get a knife. Because the cake is still a little crunchy. I mean, the cookies are anyway. And you can't really see the layers in this piece at all, but maybe I will try to cut another piece off after I eat this and show the layers for the video. Dun, dun, dun. But we're gonna take a bite and we're gonna enjoy this Icebox cookies and cream Icebox cake. That is so good. It tastes like Oreos, but it doesn't taste like you're eating an Oreo, if that makes any sense whatsoever. It almost tastes like, well, cake, but a really creamy, way lighter than Oreo cookies, which is weird because I'm literally eating Oreo cookies and cream. The berries in this give it that fresh little pop that you definitely need. So definitely don't skip the berries. You can also use maraschino cherries, or like I mentioned earlier, blueberries, not blackberries. But this is a great recipe, and it's definitely one that I think that you should try over this 4th of July or Memorial Day weekend. I mean, this video will probably come out after Memorial Day, actually, now that I think about it. So maybe this is just a good recipe for your 4th of July. All right, you guys, well, what do you think? Do you think that this is one that you will make at any point in the next year? I know that it's gonna be one, and you can switch out the cookies. You don't have to use Oreos. You can use any cookie that you want. Just make sure it has a cream filling of some sort. So you could do Nutella Oreos. Oh, I missed the mark on that one. All right, you guys. Well, if you enjoyed that video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I do videos several times a week, and I'm always looking for the next adventure. So if you've got an idea for me, leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you on the next adventure, I hope. All right, guys, see you later. Bye.